All right, so I wanted to go over, we looked at how the views are made, and I wanted to go over sort of the visibility graphics part of it. And so let's go ahead and start on the floor plan here. So Revit has a way of controlling the visibility graphics that is category based, and it uses the parameters of the view and the visibility graphics dialog box. And so if I wanted to change the way that just this view looks, I can activate this view. So I'm going to double click on it on the sheet and type in VV. And it's going to bring up a dialog box that's showing me the overrides for this view. And it's based on category. So we brought all that stuff in by category. And right now it's cutting with a black fill. So that's kind of like a basic floor plan. But if you wanted to change that, you could go and select all and go ahead and cut it with a different color. So you can set it to a different hatch and then set it to a different color. So I'm going to set it to a blue, right? And then I'm also going to set the cut lines to a blue. Whoops, to that blue. And I'll also set the projection lines to that blue. And click OK. So now you'll see that I have this sort of blue themed version of the floor plan. I can also come down and turn the shadows on, so it gives me a little bit more of a shadow break on this guy. And then I can come and right click or left click on my view cube here, my visual styles cube, and go to graphic display options. And that will allow me to expand my lighting and turn my shadow darkness down and make it a little lighter. So you can kind of play with that. You can also come down and look at your sun settings and set those. So right now it just has regular default lighting, which is fine for our case, but you can come in here, let's set this to 25, hit apply. So it kind of a little bit more of a drop on it, right? Also, maybe you don't want to see the casework here, so I'm just going to pick that and type VH, which is going to hide that. And maybe we don't want to see the sections cutting through. And so if I pick these sections, I can break them and pull them out of the floor plan, right? Okay. And just set it up to where it's more graphically what I want it to be, okay? And so there's a lot. I could also come in, and if I go to my visibility graphics, VB again, maybe I want to make the floor sort of a similar color to this blue that I have over here in the isometric. So if I go to all and go to the projection or elevation patterns, I can set this to a solid fill and set it to sort of that light blue over like it is over there. And then if I click OK, then I'm getting sort of this light blue background. You could also come in and there is a crop boundary on it. It's just the region, the crop region isn't shown. So down here in the view control bar is a little show crop region. So you can kind of see where that crop region is. It's being controlled by the scope box right now, but if I come in here, I can actually go to my graphic display options again and play around with some of these settings. So transparency here, like if you set it up, you can get kind of this interesting sort of outline with the blue, and things that are less deep will be lighter, so you're getting some variation there. And then you can, I'm not a big fan of these, but they do have this sketchy line thing where you can enable the sketchy line and like do extensions. So they'll have like little ticks on the corners. You can also jitter it, but that's to me also very weird and not particularly useful in this one. So I don't tend to use that one quite a lot. So I'll just apply that back and click OK. Now, you can do a lot of different things with the different settings. So go ahead and try a few on the floor plan.